Okay, I just spent hours searching for a working method on how to get Alone in the Dark for free, and this is in 2024, guys. This is the remake. You can get Alone in the Dark for every single platform because I've managed to find a method to do it. So sit back, relax, and follow the instructions in this tutorial. And yeah, let's do this. Okay, so let's get into the quick tutorial to show you how to get Alone in the Dark for free. This is available on all of the platforms, so Xbox, PlayStation, or PC. Super easy. It does take about 5 to 10 minutes, but if you follow the instructions in this video, yeah, you're going to get a free digital copy of Alone in the Dark. So open up the internet. I'm using my mobile phone, so make sure you have your mobile phone, and you want to go to this website, guys. www.speedycoupons.com. So go to your mobile phone and type this website, Speedy Coupons, guys. And this is an awesome website. You can see there is a search bar at the top here. So just type in there Alone, and it should just pop up Alone in the Dark free game code. So navigate your way to this page, guys. And as I mentioned, you can get this game for Xbox, PlayStation, PC, or Steam. Now, these game codes for Alone in the Dark are limited, so you can see there is not that many of them. So what you're going to need to do, guys, is tap on show code for your platform of choice. And this is going to be a digital game code that you can redeem in the store. I personally do this on Xbox. I've already done it, so I'm not going to basically do it again and waste the codes, but show code. And this is going to pop up, guys. You need to unlock your game code. So these are protected. Obviously, this game costs quite a bit of money, so this prevents people from stealing all of the game codes. So tap unlock code, and when this circle sort of counts up to 100, it's going to show you a new screen, guys, and it'll tell you how to get your game code. You need to just verify yourself as not a robot, so you need to complete a couple of these simple tasks, which can range from sort of downloading and playing some free games to answering questions in questionnaires. It's super easy, completely free. It does take about 5 minutes, but once you've done that, guys, your code will be fully revealed, which you can then redeem in your platform store of choice. So head on over to Speedy Coupons, search for the Alone in the Dark page. Any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Please smash the like button. Let's see if we can get 100 likes on this video, and let me know what you think of the game. I hope you found the video useful, and yeah, that is how you get Alone in the Dark for completely free in 2024. I'll see you in the next video, you guys. Enjoy. Peace out.